How to fix screen overlay detected to change this permission settings pops up. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to Play Store and search for App Permission Manager. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Install it and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to System and add the apps that is showing screen overlay detected problem. After that, click on Keep and then go back. Go to Recent Apps or simply click on Keep Apps and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Search for App Permission Manager and give access. After that, you're good to go. Your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix if screen overlay detected to change this permission settings pop up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.